Uncle. How many members in vowel family?
One, two, three, four.
One,
One,
two, three, four, five. So how many members in vowel family?
five.
Okay. The rest members comes in consonant family. Okay. The rest members comes in consonant family. Which family member is this? Consonant. Which family is this? Consonant. Which family is this? Very good.